Welcome to the grand finale of Vidblog's Young Inventor Tech Fest 2021 organized by IIT Bombay. Let's check out the journey of Ayan Shankta from Mumbai.
Hi, my name is Ayan Shankta and I live in Powai in Mumbai. I'm 13 years old and study at Dhirubhai Ambani International School in the 8th grade. I'm really passionate about robotics and the environment and love to swim and read books. I live in Powai and I have seen the Powai lake slowly deteriorate over the years. There were various areas which needed attention and I aim to help contribute to saving the lake by creating a robot that would be able to identify the main source of pollution in the lake. My passion for robotics helped me to create Hydrus, a handheld water pollution tracking sensor which could test the pollution levels in a water body. However, one of its major drawbacks was that it was not able to test the pollution levels in the areas where a human could not reach. Therefore, in this project, I have integrated artificial intelligence to make this robot completely autonomous. Moreover, I have also integrated a camera with machine learning to track the concentration of water hyacinth in the lake, which is a very important indicator of sewage. My project is aquatic robot for location-wise 3D mapping analysis of waste, causing water contamination in a water body. It aims to correlate the GPS coordinates with the concentration of sewage and pollutants in Powai Lake. Thus, I present my solution HASTE, a hydroanalysis and sewage testing explorer. HASTE is a novel solution that is able to achieve real-time 3D mapping of sewage dump and pollutants at various locations in the water body with the help of a pH, total dissolved solids, temperature and a sonar sensor along with the camera, which is used to understand the turbidity and concentration of water hyacinth in a region. To achieve this, I have trained my own ML model using 5,000 of my own images. The 3-step process of this robot is as follows. HASTE is a completely autonomous pre-programmable robot that can navigate itself using GPS data as per the map planned through Mission Planner. For movement, the robot uses a principal operation of a hovercraft, and with this approach, the robot can achieve a speed of 1 meter per second. Secondly, when the robot reaches a pre-programmed location, the sensors start taking data and send it to the user using the 433 MHz telemetry, which has a range of 1 km line of sight. The robot body is designed and simulated using Fusion 360 software and made with the polycarbonate material which maintains the concept of buoyancy. Thirdly, the data can be stored on an Excel sheet for future use, and I have analyzed the data to indicate the change in terrain as well as the change in pollution levels and impact on the local ecosystem. I have created a 3D mapping code that maps the GPS coordinates and uses each of the sensor values to indicate the terrain as well as pollution levels, as you can see in this image. My 3D plotting code has an efficacy of 91%, and the water hyacinth detection code has an efficacy of 89%. The parts I use in this robot are easily available in the market and they have no negative effect on the environment. Polycarbonate has been used for the entire frame of the robot as it is environmentally friendly and has minimal impact on the environment. Moreover, since this robot works on the principle of a hovercraft, it does not affect the nearby marine animals or plants in the water body. This project can have massive impacts and can help save thousands of water bodies in the world. Thank you. Now, though I was able to make the robot, I was not able to test in the lake. So I had to test in an inflatable baby pool which I used to play in when I was smaller. My future plans are to extend the testing parameters of this robot by adding other sensors, which include the nitrate sensor as well as the oxygen sensor, as they too are very important indicators of pollution.